The final part of Lecture Series 17 looks at the relevant disclosures as set out in IAS 24 and government-related entities. IAS 24 sets out the following disclosure requirements. 1. The relationship between parent and subsidiaries, disclosing the name of the parent and, if different, the ultimate controlling party. 2. Total compensation granted to key management personnel, broken down into short-term benefits, pension benefits, termination benefits, and share-based payment schemes. 3. If there have been transactions between related parties and/or if there are outstanding balances between the parties, the reporting entity shall disclose 1. The nature of the related party relationship, 2. The description and amounts of the transactions, 3. Amounts and details of outstanding balances as well as allowances for receivable and any irrecoverable debt in respect of the outstanding balances. Please be reminded, IAS 24 stipulates a related party transaction may only be disclosed as made on terms equivalent to those that prevail in an arm's length transaction if such terms can be substantiated. A reporting entity is exempt from the disclosures in relation to related party transactions and outstanding balances, including commitments with 1. A government that has control or joint control or significant influence over the reporting entity, 2. Another entity that is a related party because the same government has control or joint control or significant influence over both the reporting entity and the other party. In the event the exemption is applied, the reporting entity shall disclose the name of the government and the nature of the relationship with the reporting entity, that is control, joint control, or significant influence. Next, the following in sufficient detail to enable users of the entity's financial statements to understand the effect of related party transactions on its financial statements. 1. The nature and amount of each individually significant transaction, and 2. For other transactions that are collectively but individually not significant, a quantitative or qualitative indication of their extent. This concludes Lecture Series 17 on IAS 24 Related Party Disclosures, covering the scope and purpose of IAS 24, definition of related party relationship and transactions, including situations a related party relationship exists, disclosure requirements of IAS 24, and finally government-related entities. The next bite-sized corporate reporting lecture series will look at IFRS 15, revenue from contracts with customers. Till my next lecture series, thank you and have a pleasant day.